Biology Chapter 7 Evolution of Class 12 Evidence for Evolution. Evidence for evolution are as follows: paleontological evidence, morphological and anatomical evidence, biogeographical evidence, it is also known as the adaptive radiation, biochemical evidence, embryological evidence, evidence for evolution by natural selection. Paleontological evidence. The study of fossil is called paleontology. Fossils are remains of hard parts of life form found in rocks. Fossils are written documents of evolution. Rock formed sediments and a cross section of earth crust indicate the arrangement of sediments one over the other during the long history of earth. To study phylogeny or evolutionary history or race history. For example, horse evolution. Different age rock sediments contain fossils of different life forms who probably died during the formation of particular sediments. They represent many extinct organisms such as dinosaurs. To study the connecting link between two groups of organisms, for example, Archaeopteryx. Evidence for evolution are as follows: paleontological evidence, morphological and anatomical evidence, biogeographical evidence, it is also known as the adaptive radiation, biochemical evidence, embryological evidence, evidence for evolution by natural selection. Morphological and anatomical evidence. Comparative anatomy and morphology show similarity and difference among organisms of today and that existed long before. This can be explained as follows: homologous organs and homology, analogous organs and analogy. Homologous organs and homology. Homology is the relationship among organs of different groups of organisms that show similarity in the basic structure but perform different functions. For example, whale, bat, cheetah, and human, all mammals, share similarity in the pattern of bones of forelimbs. These forelimbs perform different functions in these animals. They have similar anatomical structure. All of them have humerus, radius, ulna, carpels, metacarpals and phalanges in their forelimbs. Other examples are vertebrate hearts or brains. In plants, the thorn of bougainvillea and tendrils of cucurbita represent homology. Evidence for evolution are as follows: paleontological evidence, morphological and anatomical evidence, biogeographical evidence, it is also known as the adaptive radiation, biochemical evidence, embryological evidence, evidence for evolution by natural selection. Analogous organ and analogy. Analogy is the relationship among organs of different group of organisms performing the same function, though they are not anatomically similar structure. For example, wings of insects form of a thin flap of chitin and wings of birds modified forelimbs. Eyes of octopus, retina from skin, and mammals, retina from embryonic brain. Flippers of penguin and dolphin. sweet potato, root modification, and potato stem modification. Trachea of insects from ectoderm and lungs of vertebrate from endoderm. Analogous structure are a result of convergent evolution, that is, different structure evolving from the same function and hence having similarity. It is the similar habitat that has resulted in selection of similar adaptive features in different group of organisms, but towards the same function. It is called convergent evolution. For example of convergent evolution are fish, land reptiles and land biochemical evidence. Organism shows similarity in protein, genes, other biomolecules and metabolism. It indicates common ancestry. For example, DNA transcription takes place and convert to RNA, and RNA with the help of translation converts to proteins. Biology chapter 7, Evolution of class 12. Australian marsupial. A number of marsupials, each different from the other, evolved from an ancestral stock, but all within the Australian island continents. Placental mammals in Australia. Natural selection can also lead to similar adaptation in different organisms for survival in similar habitat. Such an evolutionary process is called convergent evolution. For example, placental mammals in Australia exhibit adaptive radiation in evolving into varieties of such placental mammals, each of which appear to be similar to a corresponding marsupial. When more than one adaptive radiations appear to have occurred in an isolated geographical area representing different habitat, it can be called as convergent evolution. For example, Australian marsupial and placental mammals. Embryological evidence. Embryo of all vertebrate exhibit many features that are not seen in adult. For example, the embryo of all vertebrate including human develop a row of vestigial gill slits behind the head, but it is the functional organ only in fishes. Organisms that share common descent show embryological pattern on which they later build their adult pattern. This was first observed by Ernest Haeckel and held that ontogeny, development of embryo, recapitulates phylogeny, evolution of species. Different age rock sediments contain fossils of different life forms who probably died during the formation of particular sediments. They represent many extinct organisms such as evidence for evolution by natural selection. Excess use of herbicides, pesticides, etc. has resulted in selection of resistance variety in a much lesser time scale. This is also true for microbes, prokaryotic organisms or cells against which we employ antibiotics or drugs. Natural selection is the process by which the organisms that are best suited for their environment survive and reproduce. These are the examples for natural selection by anthropogenic action, that is evolution due to human activities. The resistant organisms or cells are appearing in a time scale of months or years. These also suggest that evolution is not a directed process in the sense of determination. It is a stochastic process based on chance event in nature and chance mutation in the organisms. Industrial Melanism. In England before industrialization in 1850s, there were more white-winged moth (Biston butyllaria) on trees than dark-winged or melanized moth (Biston carbonaria). And after industrialization in 1920, more dark-winged moth and less white-winged moths were there. An interesting observation supporting evolution by natural selection comes from England. In a collection of moths made in 1850, it was found that there were more white-winged moths on tree than dark-winged moths. However, when the collection was made from the same area in 1920, there were more dark-winged moths in the same area, that is, the proportion was reversed. The explanation for these observations was that before industrialization, there was thick growth of white-colored lichen covered the trees. In that background, the white-winged moth survived, but the dark-colored moths were picked out by the predators. Predator with spot of moth against a contrasting background. Homologous organs and homology. Homology is the relationship among organs of different groups of organisms that show similarity in the basic structure but perform different functions. Thank you.